The carrots are hot. Don't touch the carrots. Thank you. Ew. Try again. You did it. Yay. Uh-oh. You dropped your water muff. Here you go, baby. Oh, you have food in your mouth. Chew your meat. That's right, your mouth. There's food in there. Chew your meat. Nom, nom, nom. Ah. No, chew your meat. And your nose. Don't put it on your nose. You're silly. Yes, your carrots are hot. Hot, hot. Hot. Your meat is not hot. You want a meat? Oh, you're gonna make yourself choke again. What are you signing? That's your water. That for me? Thank you. Ah, muffin. Hot. Is it okay now? No, sir. That's for later, Dan. Hot. You can eat it. It's all set. Is it still hot? Mmm, yummy carrots. Num, num, num.